Hey plant lovers! Today, I'm showing you 5 rare plants that can completely transform your home, from turning your space into a jungle paradise to adding that wow factor that makes your friends stop in their tracks. And yes, these plants are unique, eye-catching, and surprisingly easy to care for. Let's dive in. Plant number 1, Monstera Obliqua. First up is the Monstera Obliqua, sometimes called the Swiss cheese plant on steroids. Its delicate, almost lace-like leaves are a showstopper. Perfect for modern living rooms or bright corners. Pro tip: keep it in indirect light and mist the leaves occasionally to mimic its tropical home. This one is rare, fewer than 100 of these plants exist in private collections, so owning one is like having a tiny treasure. Plant number 2, Calathea orbifolia. Next, we have Calathea orbifolia. Look at these massive, perfectly striped leaves, they're like nature's artwork. Not only do they bring life to any room, but their leaves move with the light, giving your home a living, breathing vibe. Care tip: they love humidity and consistent moisture, making them perfect for kitchens or bathrooms. It's like having a natural statement piece in your living space. Baila conmigo, bajo la luna. Plant number 3, Alocasia frydek. Meet Alocasia frydek, also known as the green velvet alocasia. This plant is bold, dramatic, and perfect for adding a luxurious touch to your interior. Bonus: its glossy leaves reflect light beautifully, giving your room an elegant vibe. People will ask, where did you get that? It's that impressive. Plant number 4, Variegated Monstera. The Variegated Monstera is a plant collector's dream. Its leaves are a mix of green and creamy white, making every leaf unique. Care is simple: bright, indirect light and patience, because variegated monsters grow slower but are totally worth it. This plant isn't just decoration, it's a conversation starter. Baila conmigo, bajo la luna. Plant number 5, Hoya compacta, Hindu rope. Finally, the Hoya compacta, or Hindu rope plant. This one's a statement hanging plant. Its curled leaves cascade beautifully, and in bloom, it produces fragrant, star-shaped flowers. Perfect for hanging baskets or high shelves. It's rare, exotic, and a total mood lifter for your space. And there you have it. 5 rare plants that will change your home. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, I want to know. And if you loved this video, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a plant hack or rare find.